Hi everyone, my name is Gaurang. Our company name is Pulse Biomed. So we are working in healthcare industry almost since last 20 years now. So we always try to bring some innovative technology or the solution for the healthcare industry. So one of the solution we are bringing right now is the skill lab. So skill lab is for what basically? So skill lab in healthcare industry, we wanted to try to give some training or some improving the skill of the doctors, those who are studying in medical colleges. So number one, we have two products. One is OrthosimVR, which is for the MS orthopedic doctors, those who are studying R1, R2, R3, that is MS orthopedic after the MBBS. And number two is a human anatomy, that is a foundation of anatomy, human anatomy, that is for MBBS students. So these two products we are with VR, virtual reality. So how it is functioning? So MadVR is a company where we have a collaboration with them with 2 years of in-depth experience, in-depth hard work. This 8 surgery has been designed for OrthosimVR, that is TKR, total knee replacement, all meniscus repair, hip replacement, and then there will be a shoulder cuff repair. There is a hip replacement is under yet to come, but other than that, there will be a shoulder cuff, ACL, PCL, meniscus, and the TKR surgeries. So virtual reality का अब तक जो use था, that is for sometimes we use for the gaming. This is a meta device which is being used for this orthopedic surgeries, and then the HumanOS also. HumanOS में क्या करेंगे तो मतलब students के लिए human anatomy, like they can go in depth in the heart कि heart का क्या क्या अंदर anatomy कैसा है क्या है. That is a very immersive experience of that anatomy as well. Presently wanted to work or wanted to show that human orthosimVR, that is how this surgery can function, how the doctor can do the practice. क्या होगा कि क्लासरूम से रियल पेशेंट के बीच का ये एक एक्सपीरियंस लेना है. सो नाउ इन मैनी मेडिकल कॉलेजेस academics में they have a skill lab provision, or many colleges are now focusing on to develop a skill lab. तो skill lab में क्या होगा सर, either you do the practice with the mannequins or you do the practice now with the VR. VR is a current technology which is used with the kind of a virtual reality. You can virtually in the operation theater and you perform the surgery. So that is a great solution we have. We have demonstrated this to many of the colleges, many doctors. They experience amazingly, and they given us a feedback that it is very good, where they can do the practice and they can improve their muscle memory, and this will help them if they are going in a real operation theater. That gap is reduced and they have skill set is improved. So that is what we are trying to help the doctors, which they can study on that, and they can do the hands-on practice with the virtual reality. So this is how virtual reality works. So this is a meta device, like those are our engineering projects there. So he's doing surgery. So this is a virtual real where you can see on a monitor. Okay, this is how it functions. Good thing is, it gives all vibrations, all sounds, and the guided surgeries. So like he's doing the surgery, there will be a screen on depth instruction on the screen how it will help you. What is the next step? So there will be a hologram. You have to match the hologram. Like now he is using a saw. So this is a sound of saw. He is cutting the bone. So there will be a hologram, and then you have to match this. So this is very real experience of kind of a live patient नहीं है, पर आपको live patient नहीं होने के बाद भी you can do the experience of surgery, and that is with the guided surgery. Each and every step they will guide you, and then there will be a sound, like this is a drill sound. So drill is being operating, and drill sound was there. So pura surgery from marking to closure, this surgeries are there. Many doctors we have demonstrated and they are happy with this. So this is a part where we are trying to approach medical colleges where they can set up the skill lab for the students of those who are studying in MS Ortho, and second, the doctor himself he wanted to buy, so we can give on a subscription basis. Number one, they can buy on a subscription basis on a yearly, so they can get one year subscription, 8 surgeries, unlimited time they do the practice. With that, they have to procure Meta device, or with the package we can give the deal of Meta device and OrthoSim surgeries of 8 surgeries packages. That is one. Number two, for human anatomy, there will be MBBS students. Those students can understand the human anatomy. So for that also, we are trying that we will set up with the colleges. They can buy, they can procure the things. Done, Raj. Okay, Raj. That's okay. So this is what the virtual reality OT you can see and you can experience that. Human anatomy is again a part of MadVR. So that is for MBBS student. It is also made very in depth. That is also you have to use this virtual device. So this is a VR Meta device where you have to wear, and there will be a software that data is installed, and virtually you can read, learn, understand. If you have a in-depth question related heart, related lung, related nervous system, related any of the system, that AI will do conversation with you, and he will answer you, they will answer you with this device. So very amazing. That is, we are trying that students can learn human anatomy in depth, and because it is a foundation for them. So this is precisely made. That is also ready with us. So this is the two products we wanted to explain you with this OrthosimVR and HumanOS. Do connect with us. We are working in a state of Gujarat. We are also wanting to work in other state. So if you wanted to if you wanted to work with us, do connect with us. So there will be a model of B2B. There will be always business can be understood, and mutually we can decide. So do connect us. If you are from any state, directly doctors can communicate with us, so we can provide you this packages or solution or further information on this demonstration. Also we can arrange, you can do live surgeries, you can experience the surgery at your own, so that is also can be done. So this is a very unique solution for what? Basically for learning, for upgrading your skill, for upgrading your muscle memory. Once your muscle memory is set, you are ready with everything. So normally any of the sports we play, we drive the car, we do any activities, ultimately we are trying to develop the muscle memory, and that this VR and this OrthosimVR HumanOS will help you to do these surgeries in an easy way. So do connect for us. Signing off, Gaurang sir. Do connect with us. Our contact details are here. So for any interest, for anything you wanted to know us, please communicate. Thank you.